We will guide you through how to change image texture in Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop. Open the image or project you want to edit, go to File, and choose Place Embedded to import a texture as an editable smart object. Browse for the texture image you want to use and select it. Click Place to insert the texture into the current document. Drag the transform handles to resize the texture until it covers the entire object you plan to edit. Press the Enter key to confirm the transformation and finish placing the texture. In the Layers panel, make sure the texture layer is positioned above the main image layer, dragging it upward if necessary. Click the Texture Layer's eye icon to hide it temporarily so you can see and select the object underneath. Select the main image layer and confirm that the correct layer is highlighted. Choose the Quick Selection tool or Object Selection tool, then carefully select the object that should receive the texture. Select the texture layer again without removing the active selection. Click the Layer Mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel so Photoshop creates a mask based on the selected object. Click the Texture Layer's eye icon again to make it visible. Check that the texture appears only inside the object's boundaries and does not cover the surrounding image. Open the Blend Mode menu and try Overlay, Soft Light, or Multiply to combine the texture with the object's original lighting and details. Choose the blend mode that produces the most realistic result for the material. Reduce the texture layer's opacity if the effect appears too strong. Review the edges, shadows, highlights, scale, and overall result to make sure the added texture looks natural. Finally, save the project as a PSD file so the texture, mask, blend mode, opacity, and original image remain editable.